You like a real YouTuber now.
I know.
Yo.
Maybe I'm a real YouTuber. People say, hey, you come for Soai vlogs.
Right? You are.
You come for Soai vlogs.
Now, speaking of becoming a YouTuber, today's video sponsor Skillshare can help you with that. Now, Skillshare is an online learning community for creative adventurers like us, giving us a medium to gain life-changing information to chase our YouTube dreams. On Skillshare, I get to learn from one of my favorite creatives, YC Imaging, on how to film in different situations and using the right gear. You can learn more tips and tricks from any of the short but meaningful classes for only $10 monthly on an annual subscription. Now, to the first 1,000 subscribers that clicks the link in the description box, you'll get a free trial of premium membership to Skillshare so you can chase your YouTube dreams.
But there we go again, bruh.
All right, guys. So we just had our showers and everything, and now we are. This thing just got. I always watch your head with that. But now we're going to go to have breakfast and lunch is called brunch. What is lunch/dinner? I don't even know. But anyway, we're gonna get something, but I'm sure later on tonight I'm gonna be hungry once again. So I'm gonna get something to top off because I'm really hungry. And you guys know, if you're a Jamaican or a Caribbean person swimming in the ocean, you know after you're done swimming, you get super hungry. All right, is you good, bro? You're good?
A girl.
Whoa.
Scarlett. I think if you see me, she's gonna come now. Hey, Scarlett. Hey.
See, I bribe Scarlett.
Yes. Everybody loves food.
Vibes, real talk, real talk.
She coming. She gonna come. Hey. She coming. She's coming to me. She likes me, guys.
I think she just likes almonds.
No, she likes me.
Really?
Most animals do. Most people do. Well, yeah. She gonna come in for this. See? Hello, girl. Hey, look at you. I have something. Hi. Hello. Come for this. Come on. Come. There you go. Come on. Come on. Oh, look. Hey, sugar. Hello, Scarlett. There you go. Come on. Your
She's camera shy.
Jinx.
You owe me a Pepsi.
Come on. She's smart, eh? She didn't put her head out like she normally would.
Really smart.
Oh, let me get that one for her.
Jilli, this bird is eating his food and we are here hungry. Oh, she bust that one really easy.
Probably there's nothing in it. Probably some.
No, there's a big one.
Really?
Oh, she got the whole thing.
One time, right?
One time. Congrats, Scarlett.
Wow.
Bombat.
Last time she took like what?
She took a while. You
Yeah.
did great, girl. It's so satisfying watching them eat. I swear to you.
Wow, she didn't have to work too hard.
You didn't have to work too hard for that one, Scarlett.
Amazing.
Good job, Jilli.
Wow.
Wow, she got it in one go, guys. It's just one crack. Boom. These nuts. Bye.
Hi, Scarlett.
Yo, she's waving her wings, bruh. That's either coincidence.
No, it's not.
She's waving it. Bye.
Bye, Scarlett.
Wait. Bye. What?
Bye, Scarlett.
Bye, Scarlett.
Bye, girl.
Bruh.
Oh.
That felt human-like as hell. Guys, I had to like turn on back the camera so you guys could see, but when we said bye, she was like,
so cool.
bye.
She did this, like,
Yeah.
Bye. Bye, girl.
Oh!
I think she's happy.
Oh, bye!
Hey, bye, Scarlett.
Yo, it's so cool.
I think she's happy. About the almond.
Yeah, you gave her 2 good almonds, to be honest. Yeah, they're really good. She got them in one go too. Vibes, yo, it's crazy.
That felt good.
Yeah, that felt really good. It was so satisfying.
Alright guys, I think we're gonna wrap this video up. Yeah, didn't really video much inside there because the music was really loud. So we had a little bit of dancing and we had some food, and Jilli's food came like maybe an hour and a half for her to actually get something to eat. Yeah, anyway, let me talk about my food. The curry chicken and the rice and peas. I know people like eating curry chicken with white rice, but for me, I like it with rice and peas, and it was really good, to be honest. It kind of had that kind of Sunday dinner type of vibe, so that was great. Sarah's pizza, I did have some of that. It needed some more cheese, but you know, the crust was pretty decent. Do you agree, Sarah? Yep. And Jilli's food was really, the first one that came out was just not on point at all. So that's all I can say. But anyway, we're gonna wrap tonight up, and I guess I'll catch you guys in the morning. Remember, I'll drop the link to my GoFundMe in the description box if you guys want to help me to cop a new and better drone. Actually, funny enough, where's the drone? Yeah, I actually just went out by the snake water to pick it up. I'm sure water is in there, so I don't even know. I even want to put in the battery to try it, see if it's gonna work. But that's that. Remember the 3 things: love, nature.
Hold on. Remember these 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, keep the link.
And tomorrow is Sarah's birthday, so happy birthday, Sarah. By the time this video is up, like I said,
It's my birthday. It's my birthday. One time for the.
Okay, welcome back, Stuck on an Island. I'll start with you guys, man, and we all smiling today. Today a really great day, man. Today is Sarah's birthday, so we're gonna go by the pool, chill a little bit, you know, have some drinks, sing, and let's have a great time, okay? All right, I'm done. And I'm just feeling like, you know, oh. All right, guys, so here we are with the birthday girl rocking her own design. Rocking her own design bikini. What did you call this one?
The stars.
The stars. Man, you just made that one up just now. So yeah, she's rocking her own bikini design, and also she made this one specifically for Jillian for this trip. You see me? So it's a short set, but I overheard that Jillian said she wanted her cheeks to show a little bit.
Oh yeah, she got the cheeks.
Yeah, so if you don't want the shorts to be like too much coverage, you can also do that. So that's a vibe and thing. All right, what is your birthday wish, Sarah?
My birthday wish is for me to just, you know, continue working on being a better version of myself.
Nice.
You know, continue just going after the things that I want to do. Also, I want to be able to, you know, have more purpose, doing more purpose-driven things in my life, helping other people along the way if I can, and just first of all, living life. Like, I've been on the earth for now 28 years. Yes, I know I look younger, but I haven't really done the things that I want to do, and I kind of allow little things to stop me. But trust me, no more. And this is exactly what this vlog, this channel is about. You know, just being able to do what you want, go to places, have the different experiences, because we only have one life, guys.
Straight up.
One life. So just live it, you know. Enjoy every moment that you can. I'm a little out of breath. Fitness is definitely one of those goals too. But yeah, so you just have to enjoy life, man, because when you look around, and you don't need a lot of money to do that also, you know. I was one of those people that were tricked into thinking that you have to have a bag of money to kind of enjoy. No, good energy, right people around you, nice vibes, and you're good to go.
I'm just so glad that she said it the right way, you know. Okay, sorry. Sorry. Oh wait.
Pablo.
Yeah, you guys might watch the videos and you realize in that video we got this room. We spent $450 for the 2 nights.
No, it's 3 nights.
$450 for 3 nights. Now, if you have a family member or a friend, you guys can chump up together and do that. You know what I'm saying? You can have that room, $450 per night. There's 3 persons in there. It could even be 4. You know what I'm saying? So
The extra person will be $35 per night extra on that figure. So, I mean, do the math. You realize that you can travel to these places and enjoy them as opposed to saying, oh, it's too expensive. You know what I'm saying? Like, come out, enjoy Portland. And I'm not just trying to, yo, guys, I could make these videos and just say, hey, look at my life. You know, it's all cool and whatever the case is, but I kind of want you guys to know that you can do it too. Because I wasn't born with a gold spoon in my mouth. Is me, I have to work hard same way. But I wanted to chase this particular lifestyle. So I understand some of you guys have full-time jobs, but it means that, okay, during the summers, you can come to Jamaica or any other country and just take some time off and enjoy yourself. Don't wait till you're like 60.
Like, you don't want to just be living to work to pay bills. Like, trust me, that's when you're going to hit depression.
Oh,
I can tell you.
Bro, talk about
like
that.
B-word, so.
Yeah, especially in Corona time. Mental
yeah.
health, bruh. All right, so we are now taking a quick walk out to the infinity pool. That's where we're coming out to right now. Ooh, bright. It is bright out here today. Oh my gosh. It's bright out here today. But this is the infinity pool and it overlooks the beautiful ocean front. It's really nice. Really, really, really nice. Yo, bruh. We just spoke about depression. You're trying to do that thing. That's crazy, bro. But that's why it's overlooking there, guys. Ridiculous. Now, of course, I wish I had my drone. I could have flown it off and show you guys. You know, really, don't laugh. It's not funny. Yo, I could have flown it off and whatever and showed you guys whatever. But irregardless, you guys know in the description box, I'll drop a GoFundMe. Anyone that wants to support me getting back my pilot's license so I can get a drone really quick and give, because the funny thing is what I'm going to be getting next is going to be super crazy. It's going to be a whole upgrade. So if you guys want to do that, then you know, help out your boy on that. I definitely appreciate that. Because really and truly I'm very invested now in doing more trips like these to show you guys. However, I'm supposed to link up with Raj today because he's crashed several drones. So he said he'll take it from me and try to do some repair on it or whatever. But yeah, I don't know how that's gonna. Yeah, he's crashed like 3 drones. Like I said, if you want to get the shot the right way, you're going to lose some equipment. Yo, bro, no, go in the water, thanks, bruh. Yeah, for the curious Georges, like Jillian was at the edge of the cliff just now and she was like stumbling, which is like very nerve-wracking to see. Well, anyway, yeah, you guys know how to support me. It'll be in the description box. Let us get this drone a lot faster, because funny enough, my brethren is coming down with the YouTuber play button. So I'm like, yo, if I can get a drone really quick, I can have him bring it down and we can work on some epic stuff. I did promise you guys to do something special for the 100,000 subscriber count. Thinking about it now, I do need a drone because there's a couple shots that I wanted to, you know, really tell the story the right way. But yeah, let's go into this the hot sun.
Support the movement, guys. Support the movement. I kind of feel responsible for his drone.
Nah.
I wanted to jump.
No. Don't listen to Jillian. She's not responsible for the drone. Like as I said, I was trying to be too creative. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, okay. And that's. Let me say this to you guys. For the persons who really want to grow, do not be afraid to take leaps of faith. You know what I'm saying? If you decide to do things that are not scary, that don't make you second guess sometimes, you will never grow faster. And it's just like me now asking for that GoFundMe. It's very scary. I don't believe in it, to be honest, but it is going to help me to grow faster and to do what I want possible. You see what I'm saying? Like I've noticed now, like I will go to a spot now and persons will recognize that, okay, it's Soai, and that's something that I always wanted. Not because I wanted fame or popularity. I want to know that when I go into a spot, people can welcome me in, possibly into the kitchen, so I can show you guys like where your food is coming from, or even better storytell as to how these people started their businesses. And people are only comfortable with people who they have familiarity with or just knowledge. But anyway, enough talking. Oh, yo, you see that? You see the spear fisherman?
No?
Yeah, down there.
Oh yeah.
If I had a drone, I could have flown down there to show them.
Oh my gosh, guys, it's not too cold.
birthday girl.
Yes.
You know me?
I love you.
You know me?
Yes.
You know me?
Yes.
You know me?
Yes.
You know me?
Yes.
I can't see that in this water. Huh?
Let me see. Pick on me.
No. What do you mean? I mean, like myself. I don't know if the camera can see you.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, you.
Yeah,
can't see-
myself.
oh.
This water is milky. Really?
Milk River.
It's Milk
Get
River.
it? Put 'em.
Or whatever.
Do it.
And cut.
Alright guys, so we left the Great Huts and thing. Yeah, sorry, the only one to bathe. Big up yourself. Sorry, cause your birthday, so you can't bathe. So yeah, we had a late checkout, so we had to make sure we left. She is rocking her top from her business, not JA, so vibes. Anyway, we're trying to stop at this little street food spot here. It seems that have some regular food, Jamaican food, some stew chicken, some fried chicken, done to order for the Ital rundown. So I think it's kind of nice and quaint. It has the beach close by and stuff, beachfront. And yeah, if you've been to Jamaica, you know that like there's a lot of bars in Jamaica. So there's also a bar here as well. So what go on? Right, wow. Alright. A restaurant? Yeah? Alright, I'll go check them out. Listen. Yeah. Alright, so this next stop was literally a minute's walk up the road. So we're up to them have some food and thing. And there's a nice beach that you can like, this is a vibe still. Let's open up some food. So just walking out on the little beachfront, and this is like one of them amazing cool Jamaican little beach spot, cook shop, nothing not too over the top about it.
Nice.
But it have a vibe, you see me? So the little cook shop is at the back right there, so you can notice. And then up front is the bar. And then here you have these big hammock beds and stuff. Yo, this is a vibe. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's a well, a bag in my make over here, sir.
Look at this. Oh, this is really nice.
Oh, that buzzy.
Nice.
That's a vibe.
Yeah.
That's a real vibe, man. Yeah, this is amazing, man. Amazing. Pablo, come here. Come on, Pablo. Pablo's gone, man. What's a nice little beachfront. Kind of like powder soft sand. Wow, man. And of course, Jilli is here taking some photos for Sarah. Vibes. But I won't lie, this place is really, it's a nice little, yeah. So I know you guys appreciate when I do little videos like these, just restaurants that are off the beaten track. They are not glamorous or spectacular, but you get some really authentic Jamaican cooking most of the times, like food that tastes like what your grandmother would cook. When I went into the shop, I smelled the rice and peas and it smells like something that my grandmother would have been cooking. So I'm gonna try the food out and tell you guys how good it is. And maybe on your next trip, when you head out to Portland and you need some food really quick, you can stop off here. It's right along the coast, so that's a whole vibe for me. And like I said, it has almost like that hotel or paradise kind of beachfront setup. And then some great food is behind us. All right, guys, so our food is ready, so we're gonna run in right quick, and I'll tell you if the food is really good or not.
Yeah.
Tanika, you have 3 leg and tie?
So this one is leg on tie. This is so stupid. She can train it? She have it?
Yeah, typical in Jamaica. The dogs are gonna be around waiting for their share. So there goes one dog there, one dog there, and one dog there. So you see. But anyway, let's get this food, man. All right, so we're there, so we're ready to eat. I know. Sorry, you're the birthday girl, so you get. Oh,
I've
Prayer
been
time.
praying.
Yeah,
it's
let's go.
Come, Jilli.
Wait, before we start, what's the name of your restaurant again?
Cool off shade.
Cool of Shades?
Yeah.
Where is this exactly?
Long Bay.
Long Bay, Portland. All right,
Yeah.
Cool of Shades, Long Bay, Portland. All right, let's get into prayer. Amen. Pretty awesome. So we give Sarah the first opportunity to taste this.
Alright, so I'm not much of a rice and peas fan. I'm gonna really like peas. But I'm gonna say
You were born in Brazil?
the peas soft.
Soft?
Yeah, the rice too. In a paka, in a tough. Yeah man, this have a little vibe to it.
What a good vibes.
Yeah.
All
And
right,
the gravy on it just kinda make it even better too.
vibes.
Yeah, this is nice.
Alright, so me like rice and peas, straight up. You see me? And fried chicken. I don't really expect nothing too spectacular because you know we have this all this chicken is chicken and we have this all the time, but it's one of the go-to things when you're there, yeah. You know, some fried chicken and thing and thing. Let's see what I go on for this. Jilli, what do you think about it? You go on?
It tastes good.
Chicken tastes good. Our vibes.
Good old country style fried chicken.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
The vegetables are nice.
Really crunchy. Look at me. The rice and peas, perfect. It's really a gunny rice and peas. Love that bit. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
It's like gunny rice and peas.
It's a good. It's a good.
That's good.
I love that the vegetable it don't have that overbearing smell. So, you know sometimes when you eat something, yeah.
That's good. Mm-mm. Cool, nice. Good job. Look at the chicken. Got ketchup and stuff, but yo, breed is really crispy.
Crunchy.
You're gonna get some bones, bro. Don't worry yourself. You good? I got you. Mm-hmm. Wow. Like you said, the vegetables are fresh. Mhm. I don't know. Drop in the comments, guys. What is your go-to food in Jamaica for lunch? For me, fried chicken, rice and peas. I'm sorry. You can't go wrong with that. Never. Bro.
Some have piece of bone. No? Hold on. You better not you not eat my bone. Oh, you want me to feed your dog? Bruh. Alright.
That dog want meat.
Ah, there we go.
Crime scene. I don't even leave the dog them a prayer. Alright guys, so we are about to leave this beautiful little beach spot it was really cool, really unique. I like the vibe that, you know, you could eat right beside the seaside. But anyway, remember guys, check out my website. It's soaistore.com. You can get a bunch of stuff on it. Honey is now back in stock in the smaller packaging for those who want that, and also there's a bunch of other stuff, snacks or whatever the case is. But anyway, I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you for all wishing Sarah a happy birthday. Thanks for coming on this journey over to Portland Great Huts. And remember, you see things, love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, keep the link.